Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 70 and let me show you how to activate developer options. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here locate device identifiers. Here you've got build number, so just tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. Let's go back, and now you can find developer options under system. So right here, enroll, and smoothly use it however you like. So just scroll through all of the options, customize whatever you need, and if you want to switch it off, just unmark this top indicator. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.